Also, you know, this is Black Light, back with Church of What's Happening Now. That to be at one with the universe. If you have one with the universe, you don't need to put no foreign substance in your body to achieve a certain conscious. You don't need to smoke no herb. You don't need to burn no trees, you know. You don't need to drink alcohol. You don't need to get high because you already, in other words, you are superior than what you're putting into your uh, body or what you're putting into yourself. You're superior than that. If you have one with the universe, you can achieve great heights just by the adjustment of your thinking, of your mind. Uh, you could tune your vibrations up. You can tune your vibrations up just like a tuning fork or a tuning instrument that a musician has to get in key. It's a tuning fork, they call it, and it's perfect pitch. You know, you hit it, and you would get in rhythm by uh, a metronome. You know, so these objects are scientifically constructed to get you in rhythm and to get you in perfect pitch. Well, you got that already because the guy who made them, it came from out of the mind of whoever made that. So he had to be, in order to do that, he had to be in perfect pitch and have to be on time. You know, perfect rhythm. See, because everything is inside of yourself in your mental state. And this is one thing about the white man. He wants to control you with inventions or technical devices, uh, so you can spend your money, what they call money, on, and hypnotize yourself thinking that you need these devices, such as the cell phone or the smartphone. We got naturally in us ESP. I'm talking about the black man. I don't know about the Caucasian. He may develop that through the years studying the black man, but ours is buried. You know, we buried ours, our ESP, because we have lack of vision. We don't study ourselves to see what kind of talents that we have in our inner being. So we don't know ourselves, you know. We don't know our connection to the Most High. We really don't know the Most High. What is the Most High, or who is God? What is God? What is His function? So now we about to get deep. Uh, you know what an atom is, right? Now, atom could make up molecules, and molecules can make up. You know, you got atoms in gases, you got atoms in water, you got atoms in everything. Atoms vibrate at a certain speed, at a certain rhythm, and that rhythm produces sound. That sound is at a pitch that we take for granted. We hear it, but we don't hear it. You know, like, so we really don't know and pay attention to what I'm talking about. If you ever think about, like, when you cut yourself, how it heals itself. First, pus comes out, which is mucus, the white corpuscles, for protection against germs or whatever. It forms a scab, and then it mends the tissue together like it once was. Now, you do all this subconsciously without even thinking about it. So we heal ourselves that way. How many other ways do we heal ourselves when we abuse ourselves or misuse ourselves? Smoking, and drinking, and even using language that is foul, because everything has a vibration. You know, so
hey, Grandpa.
Yeah, I hear my grandson calling, so let me hurry up and see what's up with them. So I'm gonna conclude this one right here, but I'm gonna come back with another one on the same subject. To be at one with the universe, you got to be vibing, you know, and it's all according to how you think. Now, I can say that the masters of the Caucasian, although they're trying to be at one with the universe, they, the masses, some of them are trying to be at one, are on a lower vibration of thinking. That's why you see what's going down, like wars and mass murder and whatever. So we're gonna come back with this and also talk about Detroit and the role it plays. I haven't forgot about that. I want to tell y'all what role Detroit played in the church of what's happening now. Black Light Out.